There are only 3 ways to make money. 1. You either sell your time for money, otherwise known in active or earned income, which is money you get from direct effort or work. It includes salaries, wages, commissions, tips, or revenue from a business where you provide material participation. 2. Do it once and earn recurring cash flow, otherwise known as passive or supplementary income, which is a great way to generate some extra cash that supplement regular earnings from your job. 3. Portfolio or investment income is revenue from investments, including dividends, interest, capital gains, and other returns from stocks, bonds, currency exchange, and mutual funds. Unlike active income earned from employment or business activities, portfolio income is based on securities an individual or group owns. Just so you know, portfolio income is not passive income, although it seems to have many of the same elements. Welcome to Ivory Finance, a place where we show you the road when it gets tricky financially. Before we dive into it, a quick advice: do not desperately jump into any get-rich-quick schemes in the name of passive income. If you are struggling financially, take a step backward and strategically key into one of the passive incomes. You are not alone. After all, active income is the primary source of earnings for most individuals and households, and also includes making investments that might later generate passive or portfolio income. That being said, here are 15 passive income ideas that will supercharge your finances in 2025. Number 1. Premium space sharing. Hey, did you know that extra space in your home could actually make you money? I'm talking about premium space sharing. It's like the next level of renting out storage, but for people with valuable stuff. So, instead of just renting out a dusty old storage unit, you could rent out something like a climate-controlled wine cellar, a secure space for art, or even a garage for luxury cars. Platforms like Store at My House make this super easy, and it could bring in some serious cash. You could make anywhere from $200 to $500 a month on wine storage, $150 to $400 a month on classic car garage space, and $100 to $300 monthly on high-end closet space for designer items. Sounds great, right? The best part is, you're working with premium clients who tend to stick around longer and treat your space with respect. But just a heads up, you'll need to make sure everything's secure, insured, and in perfect condition. If you've got the space and are willing to put in a little effort, this could be a game changer for making passive income. Let me know in the comments if you'd give this a shot. Number 2. Solar farm leasing. Ever thought about turning your land into a steady source of income? Solar farm leasing is a game changer, especially if you live in a sun-rich area like Texas, Louisiana, or California. Utility companies and solar developers are leasing land to install solar panels, and it can bring in serious passive income. You don't even need a huge property, just some flat, sunny space, and you could start earning. With a large-scale solar installations, you could earn $500 to $2,000 per acre annually. For community solar projects, that figure could jump to $1,000 to $4,000 per acre. That's a lot. The best part? These leases are long-term, often 25+ years, and the income is steady. Plus, some contracts even include escalator clauses to keep pace with inflation. And if you're near power infrastructure, the rates go even higher. It's low maintenance for the landowner and could be compatible with farming or grazing. The only catch is that you need to meet certain land criteria, like being near power lines, and zoning laws may apply. Long-term income, minimal involvement, and helping the planet? Not a bad deal, right? If you've got the land, 2025 could be your year to shine. Number 3. Invest in real estate. Looking for a tried-and-true way to generate passive income? Real estate has been one of the oldest and most reliable methods for making money, and it's still going strong in 2025. Investing in rental properties can bring in a steady monthly income, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 per property, depending on location, size, and the local market. But it's not just about rental income. Real estate investments also have the potential for huge returns through appreciation over time. Plus, real estate is a great hedge against inflation since property values and rents tend to rise as prices do. Of course, there are some upfront costs. Think down payments, closing fees, and maybe some renovations here and there. And let's not forget, real estate can take time to sell or cash out. Plus, managing a property does require effort, or you can hire a property manager to take care of it for you. The bottom line is, real estate is a long-term play with great rewards, but you've got to do your research. If you're looking to diversify your income and build lasting wealth, this could be your key to success. Number 4. Rent all or part of your property. Want to turn your property into a passive income machine? Renting out all or part of your home could be the perfect way to do it, and you've got options. Let's start with short-term rentals. Think Airbnb. If you've got a property in a popular tourist spot, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 per day, depending on location, property type, and occupancy. And for steady, reliable income, long-term rentals could bring in $1,000 to $2,500 per month. It's a great way to secure consistent cash flow. Renting out your property also comes with perks like potential property appreciation and tax benefits. But of course, there are a few downsides: vacancies, maintenance, and dealing with problem tenants. Make sure to do your research and keep your place in great condition. Whether you're renting short-term or long-term, renting out your property can supercharge your income. Just remember to stay informed, keep up with maintenance, and know the laws in your area. Number 5. Specialty vehicle storage. Got extra space and want to turn it into a cash flow powerhouse? Specialty vehicle storage might just be the perfect solution for you. With the boom in RVs, boats, and luxury cars, there's a growing demand for secure, specialized storage spaces. Here's the deal. Storing RVs and motorhomes can earn you $100 to $500 a month per space, and if you add features like electrical hookups, you can boost that by $25 to $75 a month. Boat storage is another huge opportunity, especially in coastal areas. Indoor, climate-controlled storage for boats can earn you up to $800 a month. Plus, you can add services like shrink wrapping for extra income. And let's not forget classic and luxury cars. These can go for $300 to $1,000 a month, especially when you offer climate control and top-tier security systems. With higher profit margins, long-term tenants, and minimal daily management, specialty vehicle storage is a win. Just make sure you're set with top-notch security, climate control, and clear contracts. If you've got the space, why not turn it into passive income? Specialty vehicle storage is a booming market and could be your next big moneymaker. Number 6. Wind farm leasing. Ever thought about turning your land into a money-making machine with zero hassle? Wind farm leasing could be the way to go. With the rise of renewable energy, property owners are cashing in by leasing land for wind turbines. If your land is in a wind-rich area like the Great Plains or Texas, you could earn $4,000 to $8,000 annually per turbine. And some contracts even offer a cut of power sales. And if you're leasing land for larger projects, you could get $3,000 to $7,000 per megawatt of capacity. That's significant income, especially in prime wind locations. One of the best parts? You can still run your farm or ranch while leasing land for wind turbines. The income is steady, and agricultural activities often continue on the same land. Sure, it requires some acreage and a wind assessment, but with long-term contracts lasting 30 to 50 years, wind farm leasing offers reliable, green energy income for years to come. Looking to diversify your income? Wind farm leasing might be just the opportunity you need to generate passive income and tap into the renewable energy boom. Number 7. Rent out items for people to use. Imagine making money off things you already own, whether it's a camera, a power tool, or even your car. Renting out items you own is an amazing way to generate passive income with minimal effort. Here's the deal. You can rent out your items for anywhere from $25 to $150 per day. Special equipment like drones or cameras can be rented out for even higher rates. Got a car or RV sitting around? You can rent that out for $40 to $100 per day, depending on the vehicle. The more unique, the more you can charge. The beauty of it? You're turning unused stuff into cash. Plus, you get to set your prices and rental terms based on demand. Total flexibility. Of course, you'll need to manage your inventory and ensure your stuff is in good condition, but the profits add up fast. And the best part? It's eco-friendly, helping to reduce unnecessary waste. So, why let your unused items gather dust? Rent them out and start earning passive income today. Number 8. Real estate investment trusts REITs. Want to get into real estate without owning property? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, might be the perfect way to do it. They let you invest in a portfolio of commercial properties, all without the headache of being a landlord. REITs give you access to commercial real estate by letting you buy shares of a fund. Think of it like buying stock, but in buildings. And here's the best part. You can earn dividends between 1% and 10% annually. These funds are managed by real estate pros, so you don't need to worry about property management. Plus, REITs are required to pay out most of their income as dividends, so you get regular cash flow. But like all investments, REITs have their ups and downs. Interest rates and the real estate market can impact returns. And you don't have control over individual properties, so you'll need to keep an eye on management fees too. So, if you want to tap into real estate without the hassle, REITs could be your ticket. Just do your research, diversify, and watch your money grow. Number 9. Bonds and bond funds. Looking for a stable and predictable way to grow your money? Bonds and bond funds might be the answer. They're considered less risky than stocks, and they provide a reliable income stream. Bonds are essentially loans you make to governments or companies, and in return, they pay you interest. Government bonds offer lower yields, around 2% to 3%, but they're safer, while corporate bonds offer higher returns, sometimes 5% or more, with a bit more risk. Bond funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a variety of bonds, giving you diversified exposure and potentially higher yields, up to 6%, but with management fees. Now, while bonds are safer than stocks, they don't offer the same high growth potential. They're also sensitive to interest rates. When rates go up, bond prices typically fall. To make bonds work for you, diversify your investments, ladder your bonds for steady income, and stick to high-quality issuers. If you're after stability and consistent income, bonds and bond funds could be a smart choice. Number 10. Dividend-paying stocks. Looking for a steady income stream from your investments? Dividend-paying stocks could be the way to go. They pay you regularly. Think of it as getting paid to own stock. With dividend-paying stocks, you can earn anywhere from 2% to 7% annually, and the best part? You can reinvest those dividends or use them for extra income. Besides steady payments, these stocks can also appreciate over time, boosting your overall returns. Plus, you can trade them on major exchanges, giving you flexibility. Not confident picking stocks yourself? You can let expert fund managers handle the work by investing in ETFs that focus on dividend aristocrats, companies with a 25-plus year track record of paying reliable dividends. But remember, stock prices can be volatile, and dividends aren't guaranteed. Always research well-established companies with solid financials. Dividend-paying stocks can provide you with regular income and growth, but make sure to diversify your portfolio and keep an eye on your investments. Want more tips? Hit like and subscribe. Number 11. Peer-to-peer lending. Ever thought about lending money to earn interest, but don't want to deal with banks? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club let you do just that, and with potentially higher returns. By lending money to individuals or small businesses, you can earn anywhere from 4% to 12% annually, way more than you'd get in a traditional savings account. You can diversify by lending to multiple borrowers, spreading out your risk. Plus, with low minimum investments, it's accessible for many investors. Peer-to-peer lending can also make a direct impact. Your money could help someone achieve their goals or support a small business. However, it's not without risks. Borrowers could default, and your money is tied up until the loan is repaid, which could take years. To minimize risk, start small and research the platform and borrowers carefully. Want more tips? Hit like and subscribe. Number 12. Index funds. Want a simple, low-cost way to invest in the stock market? Let's talk about index funds, one of the most popular passive income strategies today. Index funds track a specific market index, like the S&P 500, and offer potential returns of 7% to 20% or more annually, depending on market performance. Like in 2023, when the S&P 500 grew by 26%. But remember, markets can also dip, like in 2022 when it was down 18%. Index funds give you broad market exposure, diversifying your investments. Plus, they come with lower fees than actively managed funds, keeping more of your earnings. But you don't have control over individual stocks, and when the market goes down, your index fund will likely follow. To succeed, pick funds with low fees, invest regularly, and think long-term. Number 13. Create an online course. Ever thought about creating your own online course? Let's break down how you can turn your knowledge into passive income. Depending on your niche, online courses can earn you anywhere from $50 to $500 per course. The key is creating content that resonates with your audience. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to design and sell courses. You upload your lectures, quizzes, and resources, and students can enroll anytime. Once your course is created, it can be sold to unlimited students, generating income for years. Plus, you get the flexibility to create on your own schedule and build your authority in your field. But creating a quality course takes a lot of time and technical skills. Plus, competition is tough in crowded markets. Success comes from choosing the right topic, creating engaging content, and supporting your students. Number 14. Automated dropshipping. Want to start an e-commerce store but avoid holding inventory? Let's dive into the world of dropshipping. With dropshipping, your income can range from $500 to $10,000 plus per month, depending on the products and your marketing efforts. Here's how it works. You sell products on your store, but instead of holding inventory, a supplier handles packaging and shipping once an order is placed. With minimal upfront costs, you focus on marketing, while your supplier does the rest. Plus, you can scale quickly, adding new products with ease. However, dropshipping has its challenges like lower profit margins and high competition. You're also at the mercy of your supplier for product quality and shipping. To succeed, partner with reliable suppliers and focus on a niche market. And lastly, number 15. YouTube content creation. Do you love creating content? You can turn your passion into passive income by starting a YouTube channel. You can earn from $1 to $5 for every 1,000 views, with income coming from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While it takes time to build, once you're up and running, your content can earn you money long after you've uploaded it. With YouTube's global reach, you have the freedom to create content that aligns with your passions, whether it's travel, tech, or anything else. However, success takes effort. Building an audience and navigating algorithm changes can be tough, and the competition is fierce. To succeed, upload regularly, interact with your audience, and find your niche. That was a long one, but was worth every minute of it. If you've made it this far, comment the word passive, and we will send you our well-put-together passive income blueprint. A 24 pages passive income blueprint carefully drafted for special people like you. The bottom line is, building passive income is a journey, not an overnight success. Whether you're renting out property, leveraging automation, or creating digital content, these methods offer great potential for long-term financial growth. While each comes with its own risks and rewards, the secret to success is in thoughtful planning and staying on top of your investments. As we move into an era of gig economies and evolving work models, having diverse income streams is more important than ever in securing your financial future. So, start strategizing today, keep monitoring, and remember, your financial independence is within reach. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on building wealth. See you in the next video.